TikTok recently updated the TikTok algorithm, and in this video, I'm going to share with you how the TikTok algorithm actually works and 4 TikTok algorithm hacks so you can grow on TikTok. The reason why people get disappointed about their low TikTok video views and wonder why they're not growing on TikTok is because they don't understand the TikTok algorithm and they're not doing these 4 simple algorithm hacks that I'm going to share with you in this video. And failing to make these changes means that the TikTok algorithm is working against you and it's near impossible to grow on TikTok. So if you want to boost your video views, if you want to grow your brand on TikTok, then keep watching. Hey there and welcome back. If you're new here, I'm Melissa Laurie, and on this channel I create a video each week that helps brands and content creators truly transform their social media and take their brands to the next level. So if you find value in this type of content and you enjoy this video, then feel free to subscribe. Before I share the 4 TikTok algorithm hacks with you, I want to explain the TikTok algorithm and how the TikTok algorithm works, because that's going to help you boost your video views and help you grow on TikTok. Now, the main goal of TikTok is that they want to attract people to the TikTok platform and they want people to stay on the platform. So that means that your role is to encourage people to stay on the platform, and you can do this by encouraging people to watch your TikTok videos right until the end. When you do this, it means that the TikTok algorithm is going to reward you and show your TikTok videos to more and more people, which is what we want, right? So how does the TikTok algorithm actually work? Well, when you post a TikTok video, it's shown to a small group of people in phase 1. And when you meet the criteria of interactions and watch time, we'll chat more about this later, it means that your video then moves to the next phase, which is phase 2, and it's shown to a bigger group of people. Now, the same process happens here in phase 2, where your video needs to hit a criteria of watch time and also interactions. Then it moves to phase 3. And now for the exciting part. Just before your video goes viral on TikTok, it's checked by a human being just to make sure that your content adheres to the TikTok content policy, and then it goes viral. The TikTok algorithm hacks that I'm about to share with you will help you go from phase 1 all the way up to phase 2, 3, and then go viral on TikTok. And I've included a big bonus at the end of this video. TikTok algorithm hack 1, add keywords to your TikTok videos. This is the definition of a keyword, which is a word or concept that is very important in a particular context. Did you know that the TikTok algorithm is listening to all your TikTok videos? And the reason being is that the TikTok algorithm wants to ensure that the videos that you post on TikTok and what everyone else posts on TikTok, that it actually adheres to the TikTok community guidelines. And here's a big TikTok algorithm secret. By the TikTok algorithm listening to your TikTok videos, it means that the algorithm understands what your content is about and then can share your content to people on TikTok who are really interested in that niche. And this is really important because when the TikTok algorithm understands your niche, it's going to find people that are interested in your type of content. They're then going to be more likely to watch your videos until the end, and that is going to boost your TikTok watch time. So what do you need to do with adding keywords to your videos? Well, let me give you an example. With my TikTok profile, my content is all about how brands and content creators can grow on TikTok. So I'm really conscious about using keywords such as TikTok, get followers, how to grow, how to boost video views. So the key takeaway here is to be really conscious that you need to use keywords in your TikTok videos so that the algorithm understands what your video is about and can share your TikTok video with the most relevant people, right? That's going to help boost video views. So a pro tip here is to actually write down all the keywords, and that way you can make sure that you're including them in your TikTok videos. If you're enjoying this video so far, can you help me out with a like? That way I know that you are enjoying this type of content, and it means that I'll create more TikTok content just like this to help you grow on the platform. TikTok algorithm hack number 2, TikTok call to actions. A TikTok call to action is something that you need to include in every single video if you really want to grow on TikTok. How the TikTok algorithm works is that it tracks engagement on all your videos. So that means likes, comments, follows, shares, and saves. And the more engagement or interactions that you have on your TikTok video, it sends a message to the TikTok algorithm that your your TikTok video is worth sharing with more and more people, and that is going to help you go viral on TikTok. A call to action could be that you direct people to the comment section of your TikTok video where you have more information about the content that you're sharing in your video, or perhaps you ask a question. Now, this is hugely valuable, and the TikTok algorithm loves this because when people are reading your comments, it means that the TikTok video is still playing in the background. It's going to help you boost your TikTok video views. Now, I'm going to give you a pro tip here. Add a call to action to the start of your TikTok video. Now, why would you do this? Well, let me show you this video. This video on TikTok performed really well. And if we have a look at the analytics, only 15% of people actually got to the end of the video. So if you do include a call to action at the end of the video, it's likely that only a small group of people will hear that call to action. So just like in this example, consider adding a call to action at the start of your videos to encourage people to watch right until the end. TikTok algorithm hack 3, TikTok hashtags. This is how the TikTok algorithm works. When you add TikTok hashtags to your TikTok video, you're ultimately saying to the TikTok algorithm, hey TikTok algorithm, my content is about blank. Can you please show my videos to people who are interested in this type of content? Now, this is really important because TikTok wants to keep people on the platform, right? And so if TikTok is showing your videos to the right type of people, then they're more likely to watch your TikTok videos until the end. And that means that TikTok is going to reward you and show your videos to more and more people who are interested in your specific niche. By adding TikTok hashtags to your TikTok videos, it also makes it really easy for people to find your videos as well, because they can search the hashtags on TikTok. It's another way to boost your video views on TikTok. So the key takeaway here is spend a bit of time doing your research. Have a look at other top viral videos in your niche to find out what type of hashtags that they're using, and take it really seriously, because this is a way that you can make the TikTok algorithm work in your favor and boost your video views. TikTok algorithm hack number 4, TikTok community. Now, I used to do this. I used to just get onto TikTok, post my video, have a bit of a scroll, and then get off TikTok. So it's no surprise that I wasn't growing on TikTok. If you want to grow on TikTok, you need to be part of the TikTok community. That means that you need to be interacting with other TikTok profiles, and the TikTok algorithm will reward you if you do this. So here's what you need to do. Follow TikTok profiles that are in your niche, and also profiles that are not in your niche, but you are genuinely interested about. And there's 2 reasons for this. Number 1, it's going to help you come up with lots of different creative ideas, because the more time that you spend on TikTok, the more content that you consume, it's more likely that you're going to have a lot more creative ideas. Just like in this example here, I came across these type of TikTok videos, and that got me thinking about creating these type of videos with how I could present my content in a different way, and these videos have performed really well. I don't know if I would have come up with these type of ideas without actually exploring TikTok and looking at other different types of TikTok profiles outside my niche to get different inspiration. And number 2, the TikTok algorithm wants to make sure that you're an active member of the community. That means that you need to interact with other brands or creators on TikTok, but be genuine. So if you find content that's valuable, leave a comment, like, share, save, whatever it is. Just make sure that you're showing up on TikTok, and the TikTok algorithm will reward you. Now, I'm going to give you a really big bonus tip here. When I started to recognize this and I started to see how I was growing on TikTok once I started to be more active in the TikTok community and that the TikTok algorithm was rewarding me, I actually set aside time every single day. So half an hour in the morning and half an hour in the evening where I'll go onto TikTok and I'll explore the For You page and other types of content on TikTok so that I can get ideas, but also be very active in the community. And if you do this, this is going to help you grow so much on TikTok, and the TikTok algorithm will reward you. Thanks for sticking with me until the end. If you want to know more about TikTok and how you can grow organically on the platform, you can grab my free guide below where I go into 7 different strategies with how you can grow your brand on TikTok. You now know the 4 TikTok algorithm hacks, which are adding keywords to your TikTok videos, using TikTok call to actions, TikTok hashtags, and being part of the TikTok community. Feel free to subscribe, and see you next time.